Hello guys, this is a quick video to show why do we need straightening in UVs. Here we got two cylinders. The first one may look better on grab than the second one because the first one has no stretching here and the second one has just a little bit of stretching here on this island here and on the bottom also. But if we are working for a real-time project with low text density maps, we can see here that the first one has circles in the layout. This is not good because this brings pixelation. And the second one is straightened even though it brings just a little bit of stretching. This is okay because this avoids pixelation a lot. So if you see the normal map for these two cylinders, this is the first one with no stretching at all but no straightening also. We can see here a lot of pixelation, and in the second one we can see here that pixelation is almost invisible, so there's no pixelation at all. This is just the bleeding of the normal map. And when we apply the textures, we can see here that this one with straightening is much better and has way more quality than this one with no straightening at all.